Hi there, my name is Sancha Bir Subba. You can visit my website www.sanchabirsubba.com. You can also follow on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. If you got any suggestions or feedback, you can write me at onlinehelpsbs@gmail.com or send me on WhatsApp. The link is given in the description. I made this video especially for the software which I have published online. It is called as Marksheet Software 2019. It is an application for making credit card or progress report card for your school, especially for government school of Sikkim. And the software is built as per the CBSE CCE guidelines and latest notification of detention policy issued by the government of Sikkim. So, in this video, I will tell you how to download the software and how to use trial version of this software. This software has two versions. One is pro version and another is trial version. And in trial version I will not give you the product key, but if you purchase the software online and I will give you the product key. The difference is only on product key. Otherwise every function is allowed to use in trial and pro. So let us learn how to download this software. If you have got any notification or message regarding how to download the software, click on the link, or if you don't have any idea, follow my instructions that how to download the software from internet. So first of all, go to browser, open any browser and type Marksheet software or CCE software, whatever you want. Marksheet software 2019 by Sancha Bir Subba and hit enter key and just find out on Google. After that, you will find out Marksheet Software 2019 CCE result making. You will get this link. If you don't see any this link, you can open this link also. Now the website is open. You can get here Marksheet Software 2019 CCE result making software. So read all these instructions before you get download this software. And the most important thing is you should know this minimum system requirement in order to run this software. And after that, if you want to download free version, download from here, or if you want to purchase, click here. This is my online store. If you want to visit, view store, click on this here also. And read all the instructions regarding how to purchase the software. And if you want to purchase, click on buy button and fill the instructions, and you can pay with any debit card, credit card or whatever you have online banking. And remember, name, email address, phone and installation ID you need to send me after installing. When you set your details into your particular school name and you are required to activate, at that time you need to send all these three information along with installation ID, and I will give you the product. Now I am going to instruct you how to install the software on your computer. If you have downloaded the software from internet, you will get in zip file. So first of all, you select the zip folder and zip file and click on extract here. I have already extracted, so you will get set of file and serial number. Click on serial number and copy the serial number. Yes, I'm copying. I have already copied. So now double click to install this setup software. You will get some message. You click on yes in order to allow this program, and after allowing, you will get this wizard, installation wizard, and paste the serial number and proceed and read the license agreement information. Read all the instructions or information about the software, that how to install the software in your PC. And after that, I have already macro enabled, that is why I am getting this. If you don't have enabled macro, so you can learn
by clicking here. So first we are going to get the password. You click on help menu. If you don't have enable macro, you want to enable macro, so click on introducing Marksheet software and click here enable macro procedure, so you can learn from here to enable macro. Or it is instructed, it is also instructed in your home page. So currently I'm going to look up the password and user IDs, and now I'm going to log in for class 8. So here Selena CL8, and you can learn everything from here. If you want to view the output, you can see here, this is the final output and this is the home. If you don't have enable, this page will automatically open and you will be instructed here to enable macro. Okay. And so currently I have already designed some records, so I'm going to import that. I have saved the record in desktop, so that I have written class 8A. So I'm select. Yes, now record is imported, and if you want to check the record from roll number 1, click here, and you can also find out using this serial number or either roll number, like roll number 3. Find. And likewise, all this grading, it will be changed, marks and grade, and in result it will only reflect it marks only or either grade only. And you can change this setting from here also. You can set this for your school information and passing criteria, subject consideration, and this setting is used by software, class teacher's name, attendance, school reopening date. If you check this option, if you remove this option, you need to set the manual, or if you don't want to set manual, check this option. If you check this option, it will automatically change. For the first term it will print the school reopening date as after summer vacation, and if after entering the marks of second term, it will close the new session, like the remarks. You can learn from here, and result format, everything you can learn from here. Subject, this is a logo, and the most important thing is grading. 8-letter grading, 5-letter grading, and if you have already saved the record in 5-letter grading and you want to change the record in 8-letter grading, at that time you can select these options and click here and apply this existing setting, and all the marks will be converted into 8-letter or either 5-letter, whichever you want. And this position can be set to your limited number or to whole class. And remember, the position will be only given to the past student only. For printing, you can see here Marksheet statement or grade card, and if you want to click on edit, click on edit. If you want to add new record here, and if you want to delete, you can delete all record or last record only. Deleting current record is not available. And for changing, for converting marks, you can convert the marks from here. Select these options. If you select this auto, the automatically subject will be changed. Like if you are going to convert the marks, for let's take an example, suppose a trial. Now I am going to convert the marks for this example, mathematics, and for essay 1, yes, actual marks will be 30, and first enter the total marks. Suppose I have taken the exam of 80 marks, and now I am going to convert the marks into 30 marks. Okay. So 70. So yes, see here. Grade C. If not, I am going to save. Now I am going to close it. application and view the yes, this is the final output. And if you want to change this logo, you can change. I've already instructed you. You can change from here. And if you want to print out Marksheet statement, you can print out from here. And if you want to suppose if you got more students in your class, more than 32, then start type 33 here. You can hit enter key. Yes, that will be something. And for back to the file main progressive word card, click here PSC. And if you need help, click here. If you want to view the data, click here this much. And if you want to change the school information, click on result editor and go to Sun here, and then you can customize here, like government QPL Topo South City school address, and you can change your school name also, and you enter your establishment date 5, and you can enter your leaders code. After that, this is not necessary, and this is also not necessary. You can select here of school and enter short form for your school, and this is also not necessary, and this is important. You can enter, and then take this option and enter the password that you are currently logging for. Send me the installation ID with name, mobile number, email address that you use for purchasing this product online, and I will give you the product key. Then enter the product key here and click on activate. This much. Now I am closing.
The time to use technology. Traditionally, nearly 10-15 years ago, we used to prepare result by writing. Handwritten result can be easily edited, copied by someone else for their purpose. So let's take an example. Mohan and Sonam, they were friends at class 5, and Mohan left out at class 5, and Sonam completed class 8, and after some years, Mohan needs a certificate of class 8 in order to get a job in a private company. You know what he does? He just asks the certificate of Sonam, and Sonam can't deny him. And Sonam will give him the certificate Marksheet, and you will make a copy of that Marksheet, and you will change the name, his father's name, mother's name, and date of birth into his name, and you will, after editing, you will submit to the company, and you will get a job in a private company. So what is the difference between going school or left out students? In our system, in our society, will ask us return proof. They are not ready to accept our verbal assurance. So do not make the certificate that can be easily edited or copied by someone else. Make it more authenticate, genuine, and original. And remember, the software that I have released over the internet is based on a complete new concept, and it may not be matched with any other software that is available over the internet. And in my software, there is a lot of customizing options are available which are not available in any other software. And remember, the software is not recommended by HRDD. So if there is any fault content, error content in the software, you have to approach to me, not to HRDD. And if you like the software, if you want to recommend to your friends, you can share this video to your friends, or share the link to your friends so that they will able to download this software. Thank you for watching this video.